2K Sports, in association with the PGA Tour, proudly presents the season-long race for the FedEx Cup. We're at the 3M Open. Today's coverage is about to begin. Pleased you could join us for this third round action. Rich Beans, my sparring partner in the booth. I'm Luke Elvey. Hope you're enjoying all the action. I know this player certainly has been, Rich, because they've built this wonderful lead. Are you expecting them just to take the bit between the teeth and keep running with it?
Well, that's what you expect them to do, but listen, we're playing golf, and golf is about as predictable as the weather. I mean, you got a 50-50 chance of getting it right most days. So this player's got to keep their nose out in front and keep doing what they're doing, because if they even remotely slow down and think about what they've accomplished, it's all over.
This is an exciting one, Rich. Let's get into the action. Time for the second shot into the first. Nice shot, that. That should find the surface.
Yep, he's putting Rosie's nosy out of joint with that one. That was an incredible approach. It's looking solid.
Well, that's an early statement right there.
Can't birdie them all unless you birdie the first, Luke. Good start.
And now that finds him in first place. Quite often the hardest hole in golf, a long par 4.
This is a tee shot that I believe must be challenged. You must take driver out to hit it over that bunker down the right-hand side to leave yourself with as short a second shot as you can possibly get. This green can cause all kinds of problems as it pitches from left to right down towards the water. It's a birdie opportunity if you're bold enough to take on the tee shot.
That's some good golf right there. Playing from 110 yards out. Opting for the 9-iron.
Club up. I like this play.
A wonderful shot and a chance for birdie here at the second. And just about 8 feet left to the hole.
This for back-to-back birdies.
Oh, that's a ripper.
That sets a positive tone for the player, doesn't it?
And there's no movement on the leaderboard after that hole. Always positive coming off a birdie. Let's see what happens here. That's a good-looking shot there. And what's in front of them there, Henny?
By my estimation, he's got around 170 here.
Going with the 9-iron, I think. This one looks just a fraction too long to me. Oh! What a shot that was. Right at it. Outstanding approach shot. This one's for birdie. That was a gallant attempt. 3 feet to go here to the hole. Down she goes. Let's head to the next. Here we are at the 4th hole. Going with the pitching wedge here. Should find the green. Oh, that one just missed the hole. Oh, this will be good for the momentum. Let's make this birdie putt. And with that hole finished, they're currently in the lead, with Brooke Henderson following in second. And after a birdie at the last, they take the honour on the hole.
Massive, massive fairway here at the 5th. So tee it high, let it fly. Second shot straight back up the hill to a green that's fairly flat with a little bit more movement in the back portion of it. It's a cool design.
Wonderfully played. Henny, what's the player facing here?
He's got roughly 105 yards here.
Choosing the 9-iron here.
Has got this thing dialed in here, looking good.
Well, take notes, folks. That's how you do it.
Nearly doesn't get any better than that. Amazing shot.
And this is quality play, still on top of the leaderboard. Here we have a par 5. Is it time to get after it or play it safe? Oh, good drive. That one should find the fairway. And the cart path is not always a bad place to be. Just pick the ball clean. Opting for the 3-iron here. Oh. Superb one on that shot. Putting for a birdie. A birdie with big wings. Ooh, right by the hole. What are we looking at for this putt, Henny?
The perfect leave. Uphill, can be firm.
Looking better.
Mark it down, that's birdie number 5. He's currently sitting in first place. Next up is this 2-shot hole.
7th hole at the Twin Cities. Risk versus reward. Do you feel brave? Driver will get you glory, but an iron will keep you safe off the tee.
You like that, didn't you? Second shot here on the 7th. How good is that?
That chip in for eagle works 8 days a week in my book.
And it's worth taking another look at that one.
This one was a great chip in. I could watch this all day.
And after that performance, they'll stay right where they are in the standings. Well, they'll be looking to use that momentum they generated on the last with an eagle.
This is a really cool designed long par 3. As you can see, the green is not very deep. It is wide, and there's lots of pin placements to use on this green. Probably my favorite hole on the golf course. Luke?
looks to have chosen the 7-iron. Look at the line on this one. Get in the hole. Well, that's well played into birdie range here at the 8th. So, still currently in the lead after that hole, but Tiger Woods is lurking in second place. Time to face a par 4.
This is fraught with danger everywhere. Out to the right, out of bounds, comes into play quickly. If you miss it over to the left, there's waste area that you want no part of. Find the fairway, and the second shot demands you keep it left of that water. Anywhere on the green on the left side is a fantastic play.
This shot was about 140 yards out. Anywhere up on that dance floor would be nice. That's a super shot. That's another green in regulation.
Dare I say, Luke, this player has been in fuego with his approach shots. Another green in regulation.
And staying right where they were in today's rankings after that. We've reached the beginning of the back 9, the 10th.
No real reason to take out driver here and give it a whirl, Luke. Just a fairway metal down the left-hand side. Left of that fairway bunker there should set up a very simple and straightforward wedge shot.
Not sure if they got that one flush. This might not find the fairway. Found the green side rough. Still, not a bad spot. How close was that to going down? Steps up to a putt of about 15 feet in distance.
This is their look at birdie.
This one's online. Okay, steady now. Well hold. Let's move on. And maintaining top spot on the leaderboard after that. Two great shots are required here because this hole is a long par 4.
Straight back uphill as well, Luke. You don't want to be in that fairway bunker on the right-hand side, so bail out just a little bit to the left. Second shot, straight back up the hill to a green that is very deep.
Good shot there, Beamer. Playing from around 110 yards out. Opting for the 9-iron. This one looks like it'll safely make the green. Oh, that's a great shot. And a birdie opportunity coming up here at the 11th. Oh, what a performance. 8 birdies on the card. And a quick glimpse at the leaderboard now. And this player holds the lead, with Brooke Henderson trailing in second place. Welcome to the tee at this par 5 hole.
That is right down the sprinkler line.
From around 220 yards. opting for the 5-iron. Oh, that's a great approach shot. Putting for an eagle.
Looking good so far.
Well, how good's that for the eagle? He sits in first position. Well, that's huge momentum they're bringing to this hole. Coming off the eagle. Time to hit another good drive. Looks to be going with the 6-iron. This one's going right at the pin here. A nice approach shot there. Pin high inside the range. What an opportunity to make a birdie. A good stroke. That's impressive. He just keeps extending his advantage over the field. And still in top spot after that hole. Keep it going. Welcome to this hole. It's a par 4.
In good form, birdie at the last, looking to add on to that.
Attaboy, good shot. Second shot here on the 14th. Terrific shot, and a chance for birdie coming up here at the 14th. Fair effort that. Good birdie.
I like it. 2 in a row. He's feeling it.
And just keeping it in neutral on the leaderboard. Time to hit a good one here at the 15th.
Fairly simple and straightforward tee shot here as the fairway pitches in from both the right and left-hand sides. So hitting the fairway shouldn't be much of a problem. From there, the second shot goes straight back up the hill to a green that's protected by bunkers on the left-hand side.
Handy effort, that one. And Henny, what's he looking at here?
He's got, oh, I'd say roughly 120 here.
Oh, this one's right down the pipe. That's incredible. They've gone and holed another one.
Absolutely insane. I've never seen anything quite like this.
What an amazing shot. Let's take another look at that one.
Yeah, they were looking at an up and down, but just down.
And with that hole finished, they're currently in the lead, with Brooke Henderson following in second. This hole here is a par 4.
Water right, some bunkers left, but as you said, driver not necessary on the short par 4.
Not bad. Second shot here on the 16th. How close was that to going in the hole? Oh, you beauty, an eagle.
Oh, beautiful touch there from just off the green. Nicely done.
Oh, that was a touch of class. Wouldn't mind seeing that again.
This shot was absolutely perfect. Looks just as nice on the second viewing.
And now that finds him in first place. Teeing off now on this par 3. And choosing the 8 iron here. That should find the surface. Well, that certainly makes putting a lot easier when you can hit a shot like that. Right on 4 feet. Should make this one. I like the look of this. Super shot, that. Managing to maintain their position on the leaderboard after that effort. Now on the tee, fresh off a birdie, a great opportunity to build on that momentum. Nicely done. Playing from around 210 yards here. Going with the 6 iron here. Oh, what a gorgeous looking shot that is, Rich. That's right out of the copybooks. Exquisite. It's just about 3 feet away. And that will do it for this player today. Now, round 3 is in the books, and that is the top spot on the leaderboard that they possess. That's better than most.
Well, you like to think so. You always want to be in the lead, but with 1 round to go, you got a host of players trying to chase down this leader.
Well, another great day of action here at 2K Sports. On behalf of Rich Beam, the entire